I still can do the ball.
Wow, you got it. You're doing pretty good.
So hard to spin. Okay. No!
Abstract art.
Yeah. Ta-da!
Inga is located at the southernmost of New Taipei City. Coal mines were produced at the early phase, and the soil here is suitable to make potteries. Many ceramic factories were gradually established there. There were thousands of kilns factories in its peak day, and Taiwanese also call it Taiwan Jingdezhen. Although times have changed, many factories left Inga, but it still doesn't jeopardize the important position of the pottery town. Today's Inga has many artists and potter stations. People not only come here to buy potteries, they also come to visit the exhibitions, make DIY, and practice in various activities. This is the painting I was talking about. So the name of this painting is The Beauty of Inga. Okay. Duh, it's obviously beautiful. And it's made by over 100 Inga's people, put together by about 40,000 mosaic tiles. Yeah, it demonstrates Inga's famous pottery, the delicious food, and beautiful sights.
Oh my god, and there's like kitty cats on there too. They're super cute.
9? Oh.
Yeah, okay girls, off we go. So why did you ask us to count in bare feet?
很好，很好，问得很好，这代表着古人的精神，脚踏实地。
I'm interested in pottery, like I took a few classes, so can you show us how to do the kicking wheel, the lulu?
那当然啦，这个是应该要分享的，不是占有的。那接下去我来分享给你们，好不好？
Okay, 好，好。
Thank you so much.
谢谢。
The traditional kicking wheel. I really liked Teacher Zhang. He was so funny and humorous, and he wanted the world to see Taiwan's culture too. He's very generous about it. He thinks Jiao Ti Lulu, the traditional kicking wheel, is for everyone. He wants everyone to enjoy it. Wow. It's faster than a Porsche. What? Back in the days, times were pretty rough, and his parents were making a living through Jiao Ti Lulu kicking wheels. And why am I doing this? It's because they didn't have electricity back then. At night, the wives pull the string and the husband kicks the wheel. And so they kicked and pulled out of 4 kids. They provided 4 kids, they raised 4 kids through the process, which is really heartwarming and has a human touch in it.
This ceramic master called Mr. Jen. He's been doing this for over 60 years, and I think he just wants to pass on the spirit. He just has the spirit of a kid, you know. He's like, come on girls, you know, like ask me anything. I'm gonna show you how this is done. because in those days, they really don't have much materials and anything. So it was basically made out of like palm trees and palm bark. And they make it into this kicking wheel. And what you have to do is you have to keep on spinning it and also making the clay at the same time. I tried it and it was so hard. Like both me and Yana were thinking like, we don't think Natasha's gonna be able to do it, you know? But oh my God, she surprised us.
At first, I thought it was going to be super hard because the wheel is like 250 kilograms and his calves is like bigger than my face. So I thought, oh, it must be super hard to spin it. But I think I did it pretty great. So when I was making my own pottery, I'm like, imagine the parents, imagine how they were like, and then happily making my own project.
Abstract art.
Yeah.
Hear your calling.
这个我给你买。
老师，我免费送你，然后见面。I mean, it's just a masterpiece, right? No one can ever make the same one again. It's one of a kind.
I still can do the ball.
Wow, you got it. You're doing pretty good.
Ugh, so hard to spin. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. That's way easier.
Why does he know the time?
No.
Before, I only had classes with the automatic machine where you just press the pedal and it spins by itself. So it's really easy to do it. But this time it wasn't easy at all. And I think like my muscles will be sore tomorrow because it's a really hard work. I saw that I will be able to show off my skills because I had a few workshop classes, but I need to admit I failed again. I don't know why, what was wrong with today. But yeah, anyway, I really enjoy the process of pottery. No matter if you fail or succeed, it's really fun. And all my clothes are like still white from the clay. And my hands are really soft after the clay mess. Like a toilet, yes, that's what I saw. No, don't fall.
I don't know why.